out in the wild with just a fire, a pan, and an egg? Knowing how to cook it right could mean the difference between fuel and failure. Today, I'll show you how to crack, prep, and cook eggs, when survival depends on it. First, cracking an egg without wasting it is critical, especially when you only have one. Tap it gently on a flat surface, not a sharp edge. This keeps shell fragments out. If your hands are cold or dirty, crack it into a leaf bowl or a clean container first. Never straight into hot gear. No pan? No problem. Here are 3 survival methods. First, rock frying. Heat a flat rock by the fire. Brush it clean, coat with fat or ash, and cook your egg directly on it. Second, tin can stove. Cut an empty can, add flame and support, and you've got an instant mini pan. Third, boil in leaves. Wrap cracked eggs in large green leaves, secure with twine, and drop into boiling water or coals. Eggs are a complete protein, loaded with fat and nutrients you need when calories are scarce. But cook them wrong? You lose nutrition, or worse, crack one and it's gone. Treat every egg like it's gold. Want more primitive cooking hacks? Like, share, and subscribe, and stay ready wherever you are.